Happy Planner Wednesday. This spread is from February the 17th through the 23rd. And what I'm going to be doing this week, I'm going to deviate a little bit from my movie reviews because I found this at Hobby Lobby and it was 40% off. And I love these stickers that are in here. They're so girly. They have so many shoes, donuts, purses, everything. So I want to incorporate that in this one. And then they had their paper for $1, and I thought this would coordinate so nicely together. And I'm going to be using this pink topaz Bic marker. And then this is some washi that I picked up at Michael's quite a while ago in a tube. And I think this is going to make a very sweet little spread. So let me take my pages out of my planner. I'm so glad that everybody enjoyed my Valentine's theme. I had so much fun working on it. Okay, I want this paper to be the dominant paper of the spread. It is just so vibrant and I love these colors. So I'm going to cut this one first. You really wouldn't have to, but that's just how I do it. I think this just gives a very calming, happy, serene, really, spread. And then this just matches so nicely with this. Okay, let's put our paper down like we want it. But this is really cute. Okay, let's start gluing our paper down. I just love coming up with ideas for each of these spreads. It's so, I don't know, it's very much a creative outlet for me. And this even works really nicely with this. I just noticed that's so funny. I love that. That is so spring looking. Okay, let's start putting down our washi. I had two to choose from, but I decided that I would pick this with the little flowers so it wouldn't totally have too many flowers on here, but just enough. That is precious. I love that. Okay, now I'm going to go right down through here. I think it really does finish off the spread. It's just sweet, I think. Okay, let's go ahead and put our stickers down. There's just so many to choose from in this book. I love each and every one of them. I think I'm going to put this one down first. Glitter is always an option. How true. That is just precious. And they have all these color combinations. Going to put this one right here. This isn't the kind of dog we're getting, but since it is a little dog, I had to put it down. I think this is so cute. I work hard so my dog can have a better life. I think that's funny. I think I'll put that right there. And then this one's really cute with her coffee or tea and her high heels. She's just walking along. And this is just too cute. I love all these little girly images. They're so sweet. I think this is cute. Little t-shirt with a heart. And always believe something beautiful is about to happen. And I think that is so true. And then we'll put a little thing of coffee on here. These are just the cutest little stickers. And then you have to have your handbag. So we'll put this one right here. And maybe we need to find some shoes to go with that handbag. So I think we'll put these about here. She believed she could, so she did. And maybe we'll throw a little hat right here. And maybe just a couple, maybe one more. I think this is really cute. Put that one right there. And maybe I'll put some flowers like right there. And I think kind of want to put something right there. Just right here. Some more girls. And we will call that quits. I think that is adorable. Okay, I just need to write down a very few things. All right, let's put my pages back inside my planner and we will take a look at this. I really do love how this turned out. It is so just spot on with the colors and the girly themes. I love this paper. I love the washi, and these stickers are just so cute. I love them. So girly and fresh. So I will see you all on Friday. I'm pretty sure I'm going to have another Amazon haul. I'm looking forward to it. And we are supposed to pick up our little puppy Saturday. And I know I'm behind on my comments, but we've been trying to get everything ready for her because she wasn't supposed to come for a whole nother week. And we're just so behind, but we're so excited at the same time. So I'm still planning on catching up. Don't give up on me. Hang in there. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time. Bye, guys.